Cat really created this environment where it was really safe to share things that I've been struggling with and let go of things that I didn't even know I was really ready to let go of. It really created space in my life to figure out what was really important to me and then focus on those things. My name's Wendy and I went to Kat's Soul Restoration Retreat. I can't even tell you the effect that it's had on my life. I had positive things happen for work, gotten back into reading and a lot of the passions that I've let go of over time.